Okay, so this is 11th February and Leetcode daily challenge. Question is remove all the occurrences of a substring. So pretty simple that given two strings s and part perform the following operation on s until all the occurrences of the substring part are removed. Find the leftmost occurrence means the first occurrence starting from the zero index of the part inside the s string and remove it from s. Okay, and return s after all the occurrences of part are being removed. Okay, so substring is basically contiguous sequence of character and string. We know that. Okay, so we have to find ABC inside this whole string and remove it whenever we find it. So starting from the left, this is the first occurrence of ABC. We will remove it. After removing this, the string will be left with this. Is there any more ABC? Yes, there is one more ABC. After removing this A and this BC will be combined, means will be closer to each other and it will form another ABC. So after removing it, so the final string which will be left with no occurrences of part is DAB. So that's how we need to do. Like after removing it, see, we do not have to see like initially how many occurrences are there. We need to remove them all. No, after removing them, maybe that possibly some other combination also make a new part. Okay, like after removing this ABC, earlier there was no ABC apart from this, but after removing this, one more is formed because this A and this BC form one more occurrence. So how we can do this basically is that one approach could be that we have this substring. We can go on and until all the uh, parts or the part substring are being removed from this string, and we can run a while loop and we can get an index, because inside the string we can search for a substring like s dot find, and then the substring which we need to find inside that string, it will return us the index of that substring, the starting index of that substring, right? So if we have the starting index, we can just go for it and remove it. So we can run that loop until all the part substrings are being removed from the string, and that's just one of the way. The second way is similar to what we did in the yesterday's question. If not yesterday, I don't clearly remember, like maybe day before yesterday, where it was a string related thing. And what we did was that we took another string. Let's just say this. Okay, it's an empty string for now, and we will keep inserting the characters into this string, and whenever the last m character, where m is the size of this part, let's just define this. M is part dot size, correct? Okay, so until the size, minimum size of this answer string is m, and the last m elements forms a part, we will remove it and keep inserting the element after that. So initially answer is empty, initial string is this, we will insert D inside it, fine, A inside it, A inside it. Now we will see that the size has become 3, which is actually equal to the part size 3. Okay, does it match with part? No, it doesn't. So we will go forward with insert B, then we will insert C. Now the last 3 element, we just need to care about the last m elements, that's all, because after inserting every element anyways we are checking it, right? So what we can do is that for int I 0 to I less than s dot size and I plus plus, we will do what is answer plus equals to si. Okay, si being inserted into it, and now we will take a if loop and if condition, and we will check that first thing, the answer dot size must be greater than or greater or equal to m at least, and the last m characters. Now how to find the last m characters is we need to, if this is the string, if this is the let's say string, and we have to find the last 3 characters, when how can we find it? We have to find the starting index of the substring, right? If we want to take this substring C, we see in our action, we want to match this, then we need to find the index of this, right? Starting from this index to the end. That will do the job. And how to find this is total length minus this 3, where m is now currently 3, right? So we can say answer dot substring, the length of this whole answer dot size, and minus m. Okay. uh, and this substring, if it's equal to part, okay, if it's equal to part, then only what we'll be doing is answer dot erase. Now how do we like erase, um, how do we erase from the substring? Is, I think this is the way of erasing it, correct? Let's just see if this is the way that erasing substring from string C++. Is this the way? String erase in C++. S dot erase, erase all the characters after IDX. Yeah, correct. We just need to fill in the same value in here, and after this value, after this index, all the values will be erased from the string, right? And we will just return answer, and this should just work fine. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. Now try submitting it. Yeah, perfect. So that's just one of the approach. The another approach, as I said, was we'll just find the first index of this substring inside the string, and we will run a while loop. We will remove it every time we see a substring. Then for the rest of the remaining string, we will go forward and again find the index of this. If at any point we do not find the index, then it's over. We will just go out of this loop and return whatever's remaining, right? So this is the question, like the daily challenge, Leetcode daily challenge for 11th of February, and that's us remove all occurrences of a substring. So pretty easy one, and that's it.